In this video, we will discuss the 5 best car phone mounts on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Scosche MagicGrip Double Pivot Mount. As one of the phone holders in Scosche's MagicGrip series, the Scosche Double Pivot Mount Cradle automatically opens its arms when powered on and automatically closes them when it detects a MagSafe device. More than just a cool party trick, it's something smart that holds your phone securely. Conveniently, the kit comes with an 18-watt USB adapter that enables fast wireless charging, a USB A to C charging cable, and a pair of cable management clips. Sadly, if the unit isn't plugged in for some reason, the magic disappears. It'll keep holding your phone if it's already in there, but you'll need to manually move the unit's arms, a two-handed operation, if you want to take out your phone or place it back in. Just to clarify, unlike with the Scosche MagicMount mentioned above, your phone doesn't attach to this mount via MagSafe. Your phone's QI area activates the cradle's arms, which hold your phone in place. That's why it won't close on phones that don't support wireless charging or on other foreign objects, for that matter. Number 2. Scosche MagicMount Pro. Although the Scosche MagicMount Pro 2 4-in-1 is well made, it's not nearly as slick as our best overall pick. Although it's relatively inexpensive, it's not nearly as cheap as our budget pick. So it sits squarely in the middle of the road as a solid choice at a decent value. The mount itself doesn't offer charging, but it's just a convenient place to magnetically stick your phone so that it's visible. The 4 options in the 4-in-1 moniker are that you can stick it either to the dash or vent, with or without the 3-inch extension arm. That 3 inches may not seem like a big deal, but it's enough to swing the magnetic pad out of the way of the vent. Speaking of which, when testing the vent attachment, we noticed it makes a huge difference in the direction the elliptical base is pointing. Initially, we assumed orienting the base vertically would be better, as it would need to be braced against multiple vent slats. Number 3. Pitaka MagEZ Car Mount. Some clever thought went into designing the Pitaka MagEZ Car Mount Pro 2 QI2. It offers some cool capabilities that set it apart. Plus, its carbon fiber face gives it a different look than most boring-looking phone mounts. Aesthetics aside, this phone mount boasts the new QI2 wireless charging, which is twice as powerful as the previous version. That's important because wireless charging is handy but hasn't always been so speedy. So this is a step in the right direction. It also offers NFC functionality. A switch on the front of the unit can be adjusted to one of 3 color-coded positions, indicating that it's ready to launch an action you've previously set up. For instance, tapping part of your phone to the complementary spot on the front of the mount could open up your mapping, music, or calling app. But it takes some finesse and a knowledge of how to program those NFC triggers in iOS or Android. Number 4. Nite Steelie Orbiter Plus Dash Kit. Most phone holders of yesteryear that attached to the surface of your dashboard or windshield took up an annoying amount of space and weren't very secure. The sleek and modern Nite Steelie Orbiter Plus Dash Kit fixes those problems. The bottom of the base, which includes both the black part and the iconic shiny metallic sphere, is only about an inch in diameter, so you can stick it to virtually any smooth vertical, horizontal, or angled area on your dash. Once affixed, the second piece of thin MagSafe puck with a red center on the back magnetically attaches to the base so intensely that our lead tester's 7-year-old son physically struggled to separate the 2 pieces. In turn, your MagSafe phone attaches to the puck. Though the connection is not as foreboding as the base, it's plenty strong to keep your phone in place. If you're rocking an Android or older iPhone, this kit includes a razor-thin MagSafe adapter ring that sticks to the back of your phone in case. Number 5. Peak Design Car Vent Mount. Although we hesitate to describe any car phone mount as sexy, the Peak Design Car Vent Mount sure gets close. It sports a minimalist design, and despite its diminutive stature, it has a weighty, premium feel in the hand thanks to its anodized aluminum construction. Installation was a breeze. We hooked the retractable arm onto an upper vent slat and tightened the rear control knob as we slid the rubber brace onto a lower vent slat. That was pretty much it. The rubber brace can slide up and down, accommodating air vents with various spaces between the slats. But this system, as with most vent mounts, doesn't work with curved or crisscrossed vent slats or on the dental floss thin air vents found in Teslas. Although this sturdy mount works right out of the box with MagSafe-compatible phones and cases, the magnetic connection is especially strong when using one of Peak Design's cases with its proprietary SlimLink locking system, which was primarily how we tested this product. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.